Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete photos from your Google Photo without deleting them from your phone. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. So, if we open up the Google Photo app and we select a photo here, and if we click on Delete at the bottom, it will tell us that this photo will be deleted from all of your iCloud photos on absolutely all devices for 30 days. So if you delete a photo from your Google Photo, it will be deleted from all of your devices after a period of time. And it will also be deleted from your phone. This rule is valid on both iPhones and Android. But how to delete a photo so that it is still saved in the gallery? To do this, we need to open any web browser. I use Safari. Then type in photos.google.com and go to that address. We go to our Google Photo, only now with a web browser, and it's important to make sure we're logged into our account. Once we've done that, we find the photo we want to delete. Here at the top, we click Delete. And now we can check to see if we still have this photo in our gallery. So we go into the gallery. And as we can see, this photo is still in the gallery, even though we just deleted it in Google Photo. So that's the simple way to delete photos from Google Photo without deleting them from your device. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put likes, write comments. See you next time.